Hey Nanas, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a entrepreneur video. It's going to be my Boss Ladies series 6th episode or 7th episode, but I'm about to make products, restock some products, and some products that are getting low that I want to restock. And so I'm just going to basically I'm not going to show like how I make the products and stuff and my ingredients and stuff like that, because it's just like I came up with this concoction for a long time, and I feel like as a business owner I shouldn't share like the whole how I make certain stuff, but I will show you guys how I am filling stuff and putting labels on my containers. And also, to respond to my last video, someone asked if I can share my vendor to my containers. I just say, as a business owner, it's just best for you to really, like, I can send you my vendor, but I feel like if you really want to be in this business world, you're going to do the research. And like I said in the beginning of this series, I said I will not share my vendors, but I will share like where I get my packaging and stuff like that, but I will never share my vendors. And it's because you have to do the research for yourself. I can't give you a handout for your business when you have to do it yourself. Some stuff I would share, like labels and other stuff, but share my vendors, that's a no-no. I'm not going to do that. I'm sorry. But yeah, so right now I'm about to wash my hands, so come over here. And I apologize for my background noise too. Just washing my hands. So you guys, I did not tell you guys, I did disinfect my counters, and what I mean by disinfect, I usually get bleach water and some hot scalding water and wiping down the counters. I do that every time before I start making products, and not just the counter, I also wipe down the stove too. Everything is wiped down and disinfected. I just want to make sure nothing is, you know, interfering with my business stuff. Oh, and also I want to put in my hair, because I know someone might say something about my hair, and I just touched my hair, so I gotta wash them again. But my hair is defined with my curling custard, and by the time this video is up, the video of me styling my hair with the curling custard should be up, so you should go check it out, and you should check out my curling custard and try use some. My hair is so defined, has perfect hold. No, it's not crunchy, it's not hard, but it is moisturized. That's another thing. My curling custard is a moisturizing custard with a perfect hold, no crunchiness. So I did re-wash my hands. Now I'm putting on gloves because I'm about to touch product. Well, I don't know if you guys don't know. If you don't know, I am the owner of Laminate Boutique. I make organic skincare and hair care products, but I also have lashes and makeup that I sell. So basically sell all beauty products, all things beauty, and all ingredients that's in hair care and skincare is 100% organic ingredients. I'm about to get a cutting board to chop up some aloe vera, because that's what I use for my hair growth oil. I am making the hair putting mask. Right now I'm blending it and like stirring it around, making sure everything is mixed. So I'm about to blend it some more. This is what the hair putting masks look like, and it smells so good. Okay, y'all, so I have my oil and my liquids, and I usually like to heat that up before I put the liquid and the oils together. Okay, so now the products are solidifying. This one has cooled down. So what I'm going to do is I have to wash my hands again and put some preservatives in there. And this has to solidify overnight because it's really, really hot. So I'm just going to put something over that. Okay, so how I deliver my products, and yes, I'm filling 4 containers because those are the only ones I have. Hopefully all of this can go into these 4 containers. But so I have a funnel, and I got this from the dollar store. And this is why we wear gloves. And I try to put this back up in here because I try not to waste the product because this stuff is not cheap. But I'm just going to bang it on the table. Y'all, I'm back. Sorry for the lighting. I was gonna bring my softbox light up, but then I was like, down here. But then I'm like, why would I do that when I'm about to do labels and stuff and record? And I just don't feel like moving stuff around. So, you guys, my stuff is done solidifying. Look at this hair oil. So yeah, so right now I'm going to show you guys. I gotta set up the camera first. So these are my bottles. I just brought them downstairs and put it in the bag. And I'm gonna show you guys how I fill my tubes, my containers, I should say, not my tubes, my containers. So what I do, because I'm showing you guys, when I'm pouring it, I like to hold it. Well, I usually don't hold it. I usually let it sit on the table, but since showing you guys, oh, that's a little bit too much. And some people use, to fill their containers, they use syringes. Okay, that's enough. But I need to get that, I know, but I don't have it. And I'm gonna just keep filling them, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I do my labels. Okay, y'all, so I am in my room right now and I am getting ready to do labels. So I actually make my own labels, and I'm thinking about making a tutorial on how I make my labels because I get so many questions on how do I make my labels or things like that. I'm sorry if I had something on my face. Better yet, excuse my face. I took the lashes off, which kind of like, this makeup look is just trash at this point. But anyways, so yeah, so I make my own labels. I actually do not have a laminator right now, sad, but I'm actually gonna do a video on how I make my labels, and I'm actually going to have, I'm gonna make a Amazon list. Where do I get these labels so you guys can get them too? And so what I do, I actually have to the hair oils, but while I'm doing that, I guess I could show you guys how I laminate my labels by myself, because I'm a do it myself type of girl. I'm not really big on like spending money. Like when you have a business, you have to learn how to do everything yourself, like, because everything costs money and you're on a budget. So I think in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I laminate my labels, And then my next video, I'll show you guys how I put the labels on my containers and everything, and how I clean the containers off, because yeah, so I'm gonna cut this video off after showing you guys how I laminate everything. And I'm sorry if you guys felt like, dang girl, you should have put this in one video, but y'all have to make content. Trust me, it'll be videos back to back. Like, I'm out of school now. Even though I work a lot, I'm still gonna find time to edit and everything. And yeah, so let me show you guys the table. I might have to move this because I don't want it to fall. Okay, y'all. And also, if you guys want to see what my desk looks like and everything, I do have a video on that. But what you need is, of course, your label. And then I use this tape, but you can get this tape from the dollar store, literally $1, and it's this big. Like, girl. And then I got the scissors from the dollar store too. Like I said, be frugal with your money, with your business. So I did cut some labels out because I needed it cut out. So what I'm gonna start is on this side. So what I do is, you guys see that, I make sure I kind of level the label and make sure it's touching the table first before I do anything, because I try not to get wrinkles on the label. And then I just apply my hand to press down on the label with the tape. Then after, I just cut it like that. And then I do it again. So I'm gonna show you guys how I cut this. So first of all, I just cut it like normal. I try to make sure I can be as straight as possible. That's another thing I need. I need a paper cutter, whatever those things are called. See, that's what I try to avoid. I want to make sure that is, plus no tape is on it, so I could just cut it. But I try to avoid that. And these are my hair cream labels. But I just cut the tape off the label like that. Now what I'm gonna do is I am going to cut around everything. And like I said, comment below. Actually, I'm gonna have a voting thing on the side of the video right now. I think YouTube still has that on there. If they do, I will have a voting thing. And also make sure you just comment down below and let me know if you want me to show you how I make my labels by myself. You guys, be frugal. I'm telling you guys, save your money. So then after I'm done, I'm just going to cut in the middle. And what I like to do is I like to look at the label, and I don't know if you guys can see, but this is a little lopsided. So I'm gonna just cut it off. Like, I just kind of cut the label to making it straight, making it look great. So when it's on the container, it doesn't look so bad. So then after I'm done doing that, I press the tape onto the label. And then I actually have a label box, and I just put the label right in there. So then when I'm ready to put a label on my container, I see, oh, the hair cream label, I could just take it. So I try to pre-make labels so I don't have to do what I'm about to do, which is make labels for my hair oil. But that, I will actually make a separate video on how I make my hair oils. Make sure you guys comment that down below for labels, and then see you guys on the next part of me putting on labels. And I'm actually going to show you guys how I package and stuff. So make sure you guys come back, subscribe, turn on your notification bells, And don't forget to like this video and share with one of your beautiful business friends. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye.
Feelings. Not personal, it's business. I thought you knew that I did this. You can have him, but he licked it. Banana, then I split it. Talented and gifted. I guess the table shit.